Hey, what's up? Welcome to Breakout Media. I'm Indy, and today I'm going to inspire you to start your own channel by talking to you about the 7 biggest niches on YouTube and showing you some awesome smaller channels that managed to break into these big competitive niches and find their space. You can do it too. Small disclaimer, some of these channels may have stopped uploading for one reason or another, but I still wanted to show them to you so you can get inspired and really see how anything goes on YouTube. In no particular order, let's start with comedy sketch channels. Here's one I love called So Fetch Sketch. You might notice that this channel has only 40.6K subscribers, but huge viewership. These girls are all actors in LA, and this channel helped propel their careers. People ended up seeing them in movies and TV shows and then going back to find their videos here on YouTube. They have since stopped uploading, but this is a great example of how YouTube creates opportunities. Another comedy channel is Cream Sketch Comedy. Many of their videos have thousands of views. Some have hundreds of thousands, and there's even one that has 1 million views. We'll explain in future videos how you can experience viewership like this, even with a small number of subscribers. Our next topic is web series. Check out Upstairs Web Series as a great example of a small channel with good viewership that achieved over 1,000 subscribers with only 13 videos. An example of a thriving web series channel is Love the Web Series. They have multiple videos with 6-figure viewership and over 23,000 subscribers, and have been on YouTube for just 2 years. See, they've also got ads on their channel, so they're definitely monetizing their huge viewership. But anyway, all of the people involved with making these YouTube web series created an amazing opportunity for themselves to express their creativity to the world. Moving on now, the third channel topic that I want to talk about is self-help. And self-help channels just talk about how you can improve your life. I found this amazing channel that's been around for about 2 years and has awesome viewership and subscriber numbers. It's called Sean James, and it's about living your dream life off the grid. This channel is monetized, and it likely brings in several $1,000s a month to help Sean continue living his dream life. Now let's look at the fourth popular topic. It's cooking and food. This is an amazing niche with so many opportunities for you to come in and make your own mark. Check out all these different cooking channels. This is a channel that's dedicated to meals that were cooked during the Great Depression with 700,000 subscribers, so that's crazy. And check this one out. Where is it? This one. It's called Chinese Cooking Channel, and a couple years ago, it was named one of the top 20 Chinese cooking blogs in the world. Notice the camera and lighting quality. It's not that good, but it still brought in huge viewership, 25,000 subs, and an award. Number 5. Training and fitness. The training and fitness niche is notoriously competitive and packed, but I found this channel, Michelle Vo Fitness, with 86,000 subscribers. She picked these up in a couple of years with her dance and Zumba theme videos and is still posting dance workouts inspired by songs. And I just gotta say, if she had thought to post dance videos for popular trending songs immediately after they came out, or before, if she had access to the songs, she would probably have hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers. Number 6, lifestyle channels. Here's an unexpected channel in the lifestyle niche. It's called Flexible Dieting Lifestyle, and it's all about ways to stick to a healthy eating plan while enjoying treats like protein, chocolate chip cookies, and such. Our 7th and final most popular YouTube channel topic is travel. I'll be real with you, it was always my dream to be a travel vlogger, but then I decided I'd rather travel without having to work at the same time. There's this really interesting channel called Travel Base Camp that's exclusively about low-cost, all-inclusive vacation packages that involve cheap accommodations and local activities, rather than going to the usual extremes of luxury resorts and private experiences on one end, and vlogs about how to travel on $10 a day on the other end. They stopped updating 3 years ago, so if you want to slide in and take their spot, do it. Hopefully by now you can see that successful channels literally come in all shapes and sizes. Don't get discouraged by looking at channels with millions of subscribers for inspiration. Look at these ones instead. I just wanted to take a second to say that if you have a great channel idea or web series idea in your head, do not allow yourself to guarantee your failure by never starting. Failure is not struggling. Failure is quitting. You might struggle, but if you give up, that's the end. If you struggle long enough, you'll see it through. Just wanted to say that. You have to take your YouTube growth journey step by step. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to be alerted next time I post a video. See you later.